When I'm out doing events, especially when they're Indigenous events, there are a lot more First Nations than there are Inuit. And I want to make sure people know that I am Inuk, I'm not First Nations. And a big part of our culture, of course, is seal. And we do a lot of stuff with seal skin. We use everything from the animal. We don't waste anything. So clothing and stuff like that. And then we have, in my case, I make jewelry and chef's hats.
Hi everybody, it's Sean from CFC here, and I am with
Trudy Metcalfe-Coe.
And today we're going to talk about a very particular interesting dish. What's it called again?
I call it sticky chicken. Like very simple ingredients. We have garlic, ginger. I'm going to try garam masala today because I want to see how it's going to taste. And soy sauce and brown sugar. I was born and raised in the north just until I was a young child, but my strongest memories are from home, from Nunatsiavut. A part of our culture is sharing, and we've had to, throughout time, me and Inuit always had to rely on each other. There's still community hunts. I was in Nunavut 2 years ago, and I went narwhal hunting. We butchered them, we shared it with everybody in the community, and there were still leftovers, so then we shipped that out to other communities. So it's just, and there's no expectation of anything in return, no monetary anything in return. I like grating it instead of chopping it, because when you're grating it, you're kind of getting these fine hairs out, so they don't get stuck in your teeth. I love my country foods. They're not always readily available. So as much as I love caribou, chicken is more versatile, just because it takes everything on. When I'm cooking the country foods, I don't want to take away the flavors from the meats. I'm using an ulu, which is a traditional Inuit woman's knife, just cutting off the extra fat. I like chicken skin if it's crispy, but I don't want to have great big pieces of it. I think the nice thing about chicken, it's one of the meats that takes on so many different flavors. It's easy to cook, it's quick. For me, I like it because it picks up what I'm making it with. And it doesn't just have to be like a piece of chicken. I could put it into a soup, I can put it into a pasta dish, I could put it into sandwiches, I can make it into a salad, it's so versatile. Basically, I'm going to be putting everything in here. I'm going to mix it all up. My dishes rarely turn out the same twice because I don't follow recipes. I do tasting, so I can kind of say, okay, or do I feel like having more garam masala than, or none at all.
So it's very adaptable, very
always.
versatile.
And it has to be, I think cooking has to be, you have to do it, because what I like, you might not like. And if I have company over, or if I'm catering for the masses, I need to cook for the masses.
I don't know, I have a sneaking suspicion I'm gonna like it too, so.
I think so, because when I do make this, it is so many people's favorite. I never come home with leftovers when I do this, ever. Look, I only have one knife.
Oh.
I'm in control of it.
I'll be kind. Moment of truth.
This is it. It smells good.
I wish we had smell-o-vision for this video. Let's get some of that in there, some of the juices. All right.
Hot. Good. My favorite part is the thigh. I need to be busy, I need to be creating. I can't just be sitting around and waiting for whatever.
Waiting for life to happen.
Yeah, no, I make it happen.